a lightweight canoe as well. I can throw this over my head, no worries at all. This thing here comes with a wireless remote, power button, 2-speed options, both high speed, low speed. You've got your Bluetooth connection, and there you have your accelerator. The remote itself is waterproof down to 20 meters. That's what I really love about this thing, is I can actually take it hooker diving, snorkeling. It's going to get me to and from locations a lot more faster. She is just looking, and that is just so light. To power up your kayak, simply press the on button straight underneath. Hold the power button, 3 seconds. Double check she's working. Let's get in the water and see what she can do. We have a lot of wind today. She's going. What's your name again? Greg. I'm going to give Greg a go. You ever been on a motorised kayak before?
No, never.
Never? Okay, this is going to be fun, interesting.
I'll send you an email from Auckland.
There's cliffs on both sides. He's not going to paddle to New Zealand. What do you reckon, Greg?
It's very, very effective.
This thing so far is the fastest thing I've used, but it's the first thing I've used. Leave a comment down below what other motors you'd recommend. This thing is crazy fast. No more paddling. Let's accelerate. This thing is fast, even against the wind. For such a little motor, she has got a lot of power. Yeah, she's jet powered. When you switch to high speed, she really gets going. Pros and cons about this system: she's pretty bloody fast and I don't have to paddle. Cons: as soon as I remove the wireless remote more than a meter away, the motor does cut out. Another con is you have to keep your finger on the trigger. Let me know in the comments below if you know a bigger, badder, lighter motor system for your kayak. On a windy day, this has some serious power.